Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. This video that we're looking at here is the result of actually a bad shower pan. It looks like to us there was no hot mop, which allowed water to penetrate through this area here that has obviously no ventilation. And now you have a fungus called Poria that's building up on this thing and completely decaying the wood. With this type of mold or fungus, it's important to find the root and get rid of that root, not just what you see here in the video. I'll try to post some pictures of what the root looks like later, but for now this is just an idea of what fungus and sitting water can do to your bathroom. We ended up tearing out all the floor, the walls, the entire shower. This job ended up being around $10,000 just for the mold remediation. That doesn't count for any repairs or anything like that. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.